What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing this CP-E Delta Core intercooler on our Ford Bronco. If you're looking for a high quality intercooler that will help you lower and stabilize your charge air temps, you found the right video. The Ford Bronco, like any other EcoBoost vehicle, greatly benefits from lower air temps for optimal performance. The CP-E intercooler is specifically designed to maximize the available space to provide the best cooling solution for the Ford Bronco. This intercooler offers a substantial decrease in charge air temperatures, improved consistency, and resistance to heat soak. The best part? The CP-E intercooler features a bolt-in design, meaning that there are no modifications needed for your Bronco. Simply remove your old intercooler, bolt in the CP-E intercooler, and it's that easy. CP-E designed the intercooler to be the largest and most efficient, utilizing all the space behind the bumper. The core is expertly designed for a perfect fit. If you look at the inlet and outlet of the intercooler, you will notice that there is a fin inside. These are known as turbulence reduction fins, and they ensure even air distribution inside the core of the intercooler, resulting in optimal cooling and utilizing every square inch of the intercooler. In a similar intercooler without the turbulence reduction fins, you may see as little as 25% of air flowing through the back half of the core. These fins help even out the airflow to utilize the entire core. For durability and high horsepower, CP opted to go with cast end tanks, like all the other intercoolers they offer. For end tank construction, casting really is the way to go. Cut and weld intercoolers simply don't compare in terms of reliability and performance. Cut and weld end tanks also do not provide optimal conditions for airflow. For better airflow, you want the air to travel smoothly, and boxy cut and weld end tanks do not provide the smoothest path possible like a cast end tank would. Unfortunately, casting can be too costly for many manufacturers, but CP-E is committed to producing the best performing products possible. With the CP-E Delta Core intercooler installed, you'll notice a substantial decrease in charge air temps along with much more consistent performance. Whether you're taking your Bronco out for a leisurely drive or pushing it to the limit on the trails, you can trust that the CP-E intercooler will keep your Bronco performing smoothly and efficiently. So now that we know a little bit more about the CP-E Delta Core intercooler, let's hop in the shop and get it installed. First, remove the 6 15mm bolts securing the front skid plate. Next, detach the 2 lower mounting bracket covers. Now disconnect the hot and cold side intercooler pipes. Remove the 2 15mm mounting bracket bolts. Keep at least 1 bolt loose to prevent the intercooler from falling. Repeat on both sides. Transfer over the mounting bushings from the stock intercooler. Slide the intercooler back in and loosely attach mounting brackets to hold it in place. Once the intercooler is in place, tighten the bracket bolts. Now reconnect the hot and cold side intercooler pipes. Alright guys, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. As you can see, we got the CP-E intercooler installed on the Ford Bronco. If you're interested in picking up a CP-E intercooler for your Bronco, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you in the description below. And if you aren't subscribed already, which our analytics show about 95% of you likely aren't, make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss out on any of the fresh new content. If you guys got a comment for us, go ahead and drop it below. Thanks for watching.